not be something that you just deserve. It's something you just naturally have, something that one cannot take away from you. Let's celebrate freedom today. A very fine and pleasant good morning to all of you, especially to our new administrator, Reverend Father Richard Thomas OIC, Principal Mrs. Sindhu Pillai, our Honorable Chief Guest, and our new bursar, Reverend Father Daniel Jeevan OIC, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and all my dear Iranians. Today, as we all are celebrating the 75th Independence Day of our country, on this day, India got freedom from the slavery of British rule. On this day, our dream of living in an independent country comes true. So, wish you all a happy Independence Day. I, Aksaraji, core of my heart, welcome you all from this occasion. Now, I am much honored to welcome our chief guest and our new bursar, Reverend Father Daniel Jeevan OIC, for his valuable message.
Dear teachers, parents and my dear students, warm greetings on the occasion of Independence Day. As we all know, today we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day. At this moment, let us all join together as one family, MIBS family, and accord our due salutations to the memories of all those great freedom fighters who toiled hard and dedicated their lives for the freedom struggle. Independence Day gives us three invitations. The first invitation is to remember. We are invited to remember with gratitude the dedication and commitment with which many men of past have played their part in the endeavor of nation building. We are reminded to remember the pains and sufferings of those who fought relentlessly for gaining us freedom. The second invitation is to reflect. Every Independence Day invites us to reflect about the significant role that each one of us has to play for making our nation a better one. In a world that is marred with despairs and disillusionments, disparities of multifaceted fashion, each one of us is invited to reflect deep and to take a disposition to spread radiant rays by superior deeds. The third invitation which Independence Day gives is to recreate. Independence Day is an occasion to pledge to recreate the lost values of friendship and fraternity in the society. We are invited to recreate the same zeal of the freedom fighters in us. As they fought to bring freedom from foreign domination, we too have to launch in our lives a steadfast strategy of fighting the evils that are perpetuated in the society. May these three invitations to remember, reflect and recreate add meaning to our Independence Day celebrations. I also express my sincere congratulations to all teachers, students and staff who worked behind the arrangements regarding the Independence Day celebrations. With these words, let me conclude. Thank you.
The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Yes, this is the priceless words of Chachaji, who is the Honorable First Prime Minister of India. Let's welcome Chachaji for his message.
Most respected Administrator, Reverend Father Richard Thomas OIC, Principal of MIBS, Ms. Sindhu Pillai, Vice Principal, Reverend Father Daniel Jeevan OIC, 11 teaching and non-teaching faculty of our school, supportive parents, and my ever dearest students. A very vibrant morning to each one of you. Hope you are all safe and sound. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the authorities of MIBS who gave me an invitation to be the part of this great gathering, finding myself in close quarters with the young minds of India. I believe that the strength of a country is its young citizens, and there's no doubt they are the iconic personalities who would take India to its new heights. So this day should make us think about our duties towards humanity. Let's not segregate ourselves in the name of caste, creed, color, geographical boundaries, etc. Rather be the advocates of love, peace, harmony, brotherhood across the world. This cannot be done by people who live in cotton wool, but by those who can face the sun and the air and hard livings. So I wish you all to be very hard taskers, ever ready to toil yourselves for the common good of mankind. Be the best version of yourself. Dream, believe, wonder, inspire, love, and practice to be a good listener. May this day fill us with new hopes, dreams, aspirations, new perspectives, and above all, a vision that can make sure that we have a successful life ahead. A child can ask questions that a wise man cannot answer. So keep asking questions and make your own exploration. All the best to all of you. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Everyone is eager to sing into the depth of patriotic song that brings us together under an umbrella, filling with great pride to be an Indian. So let's call upon Jenna Raitza for the patriotic song.
ये मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे ये मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरे इश्क बहे भीगा न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे हाय तेरी मिट्टी मैं मिल जावा गुल बनके मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरी खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
Now I would like to call upon our school head boy Kurian Isa for his message.
Good morning to one and all. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a happy Independence Day. 75 years ago, on this day, we got freedom from British rule. After independence, we acquired the fundamental rights. As we remember the great leaders who gave their life for the freedom of this country, it's time to stop and think what freedom means to us and how we are making use of it. Freedom provides us to do our best in whatever field that we are. So, be proud to be an Indian, and we should be thankful to be born in a country with such freedom and equality. I urge all my friends to not misuse this freedom for your selfish needs. Freedom is a gift and we must cherish it. So let us take some time to think of our country and for the great sacrifices that our leaders have done. Thank you. Jai Hind.
India is a land of unity. High mountain ranges, vast seas, high irrigated lands, dark forests, sandy desert, this all make India an exceptional one. Besides, India is a land of different castes, creeds, religions, races and languages. Let's have a look at a video presentation made by class 2 based on a Bharat Shrestha Bharat.
I am proud mother, affectionately called Bharat Mata. I have many children. The specialty of my children, we all are different by our culture, language, food and dressing style. We are different by all means. We are just like a fingers of our hand. We may be different in shape and size, but when we come together, we are just like a fist with stronger than a hand. I am proud to be mother of my lovely children. Let me introduce you to my cute and dear children.
Hi, I am from Kerala, God's own country. Trivandrum is the capital city of Kerala. It was founded on 1st November 1956. Malayalam mother tongue. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am from Mizoram. Capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Language is Mizo. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my India. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
I am from Karnataka. I am proud to be an Indian.
Hi, I'm from Jammu Kashmir. It's the far northwest of our India in the Himalaya region. The capital of Jammu Kashmir is Srinagar. Our local language is Kashmiri. It's a very beautiful place. I love my India and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am coming from Assam. Our capital is Dispur. My language is Assami. I love my India and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I am from Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of my state is Itanagar. My state is situated at the tip of northeastern part of India. Hindi and English are the main languages of my state. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi everyone. Happy Independence Day. I am Tanvi Mohan. I am from Gujarat. I would like to share some specialities of Gujarat. Gujarat is situated on the west coast of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Gujarat is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi. The traditional dance form of Gujarat is Garba. The Statue of Unity is located in Gujarat. I love my state and country very much and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am from West Bengal. I am proud to be an Indian. Capital of West Bengal is Calcutta. Official language of West Bengal is Bengali. I love my India.
Hi, I am from Haryana. Haryana is a North Indian state. Its capital is Chandigarh. The state language of Haryana is Haryanvi. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am from Tripura. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The main language of Tripura is Bengali. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am from Meghalaya. Our capital is Shillong. Our language is Khasi and Garo. I love my India and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I am from Uttar Pradesh. Capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Language of Uttar Pradesh is Hindi. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am from Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. The language of Punjab is Punjabi. I am proud to being an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am from Rajasthan. Our capital is Jaipur. Our language is Rajasthani. I love my India and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I am from Telangana. Our capital is Hyderabad. Our language is Telugu. I love my India and I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
I am from Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The language of Sikkim is Nepali. And I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
I am from Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. The language of Tamil Nadu is Tamil. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am from Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. The language of Madhya Pradesh is Hindi. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
I am from Goa. Our capital is Panaji. Our language is Konkani. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
My name is Jewel
Komal Baiju. I am from Maharashtra. Mumbai is Maharashtra's capital. Language is Marathi. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind.
My name is Minha Fatima. I am from Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country. Jai Hind. I am from Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. The language of Bihar is Bihari. I am proud to be an Indian. Hello everyone. I wish each and everyone a happy Independence Day. I am Johanton Francie. I am from Nagaland. Nagaland, the 16th state of Indian Union, was established on 1st December 1963. Nagaland is a mountainous state in the northeast India. Its capital city is Kohima. Nagaland is famous as the land of festivals. I love my India. I am proud to be an Indian.
Dear all, we celebrated 74 years of independence. Today, as we celebrate 75th Independence Day, I feel overwhelmed when I think of the days when we stood and grew together. Further also, let us pledge to stand together and support each other whenever and wherever without giving importance to the difference. Jai Hind.
Let us call upon our brightening stars of MIBS for a patriotic dance.
ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम दिन ये घर सुना सुना है. मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही. माँ तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम, तुझे सलाम.
The unforgettable struggle for independence, when the entire country stood in a same platform, was highly commemorable. We salute and thank our freedom fighters who gave their life and sacrifices for us. Let's remember our freedom struggle. Aksaraji, Secretary of Malayalam Club, for the vote of thanks. Good morning, Iranians. As we all are celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence, we stand now together remembering our great warrior-like freedom fighters of our nation who fought for us and sacrificed their lives to give us freedom. We all are here today because of the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters. I, Saraji of class 9A, from my heartfelt gratitude to everyone to make this school celebration possible. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Daniel Jeevan OIC, who is our new bursar of MIBS Kalapuram, for his valuable speech which enlightened us with patriotism and pride. Thank you, Father, for your valuable message. I would like to express my heartfelt acknowledgement to our new administrator, Reverend Father Richard Thomas YC, who is truly strong to bring us all together, even through virtually the pandemic has created. Thank you, Father, for your great support and giving us this opportunity. Next, my sincere thanks to our principal, Mrs. Sindhu Pillai, to your constant effort to give each student their best and motivation to live a meaningful life. Thank you, ma'am. Next, my gratitude goes to all our loving teachers for being very supportive, caring and loving us, even could not meet personally. Thank you all our teachers. Next, I could like to express my sincere gratitude to our non-teaching staff for caring as a part of MIBS family. As I conclude, I am proud to be an Indian. I take pride in India's citizenship. Thank you all. Wish a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.